So, if you're building anything in the AI space right now, you know your tech stack can be a huge hurdle. Today, we're going to break down a toolkit that's designed to solve exactly that problem right from the get-go, the AI Engineer Pack.
But first, just ask yourself this. What if you could get your entire AI stack for free? I'm talking the models, the data, the infrastructure, the user interface, everything, without that huge price tag that, let's be honest, stops so many great ideas before they even start. Well, that's the big idea we're digging into.
So here's how we're going to walk through this. We're going to follow the journey of building an AI project. We'll kick things off with the foundation, models and data. Then we'll blast off from code to the cloud. After that, we'll see how you actually connect with your users. And finally, we'll tally up the whole thing and see what it's really worth.
Okay, first things first, the foundation. Every single great AI project needs a few key things. A powerful model to be the brains of the operation, really high-quality data to learn from, and, a central place for the whole team to actually work together. Let's see what the pack's got for this.
So, at the core of any AI app, you've got to have the model itself. The pack hooks you up with Mistral AI, which is known for having some of the most efficient and powerful models out there. And you get a $25 credit right away, so you can start playing around and find the perfect fit for your project without spending a dime.
Okay, you've got your model, but where does the team actually get on the same page? That's where Notion comes in. It's basically your project's shared brain. It's for planning, for docs, for collaboration, and now it's all supercharged with its own AI. And the offer in the pack is massive. 6 months of their business plan, totally free.
Just let that number sink in for a second. $12,000. For a startup, that's a huge operational cost that just vanishes. And it's not just about the money. It's about freeing up that cash and that headache so you can focus on what you're actually supposed to be doing, building something amazing.
Look, a great model is one thing, but it's totally useless without good data. To train it, to fine-tune it, to see if it's even working, you need real feedback from real humans. Prolific is the go-to for this. Even Google uses them. The pack gives you a $50 credit to start getting that critical data that makes your models smart.
All right, foundation's laid. Now for the fun part, actually building this thing. This next bit is all about that core engineering journey, taking your idea from lines of code to a living, breathing application in the cloud.
Modern AI isn't just about spitting out text. It needs to do things, browse the web, analyze a file, you name it. But to do that, it needs a safe place to run code. That's exactly what E2B does. It gives your AI agent a secure little playground to operate in, and the pack comes with a cool $2,000 in credits. So, here's the classic developer dilemma, right? How do you move fast without breaking things? Well, what if you had an AI senior dev on your team who could review every piece of code instantly? That's CodeRabbit. It helps you catch bugs and improve quality before your code ever sees the light of day. And you get 2 months of their Pro plan for free.
Okay, so your code's looking good. Now, where does it run? AI stuff can be really demanding, and you need some serious horsepower. Daytona gives you that, the secure, flexible environment you need to actually run it. And the pack gives you $1,000 in credits to get that engine fired up.
All right, your app is out in the wild. But what happens when it breaks? And let's be real, it's gonna break. Sentry is your safety net. It's constantly watching your app, and the second something goes wrong, it tells you, so you can fix it fast. You get 3 months of their business plan free.
And for those really big uh-oh moments, you need a plan. The pack actually covers you with offers from both Incident.io and Rootly, 2 of the best out there. So whether you want an all-in-one system or something that's AI native, you're covered when things really go sideways.
Okay, so the back end is solid. It's a powerhouse. But who cares if the user experience is terrible, right? This next part is all about the front end, how you build that AI-powered storefront and actually connect with your users.
First up, customer support. With Intercom, you can have a super smart AI agent handling customer questions right from the jump. And this offer is a straight-up game changer. If you're a qualified startup, you get Intercom completely free for an entire year.
I mean, $15,000. Think about that. This means a tiny, brand new company can have customer support that feels like it belongs to a massive enterprise right from day one. That's a serious competitive edge.
But a great user experience goes beyond just answering questions. It's about knowing what your users want. Shaped lets you build those really smart search and recommendation engines, like 100 times faster. It's what makes your app feel like it's reading your mind, in a good way.
And we're talking $10,000 in credits here. That's huge. This is the kind of core feature that can make the difference between someone using your app once and them coming back every single day.
And last but not least, what does your app sound like? ElevenLabs, the folks who actually put this whole pack together, give you the best text-to-speech AI out there. It's how you give your product a voice, a personality. And the pack includes 3 free months of their creator plan.
Phew. Okay, so we've gone through the whole stack, from the brain to the voice, so let's just step back and tally it all up. What's the real bottom line here? What is all of this worth? I mean, just look at the heavy hitters. You've got 15 grand from Intercom for customer service, 12 grand from Notion for your team's workspace, 10 grand from Shaped for personalization, and that's not even scratching the surface of everything else in the pack.
When you put it all together, you're looking at over $50,000 in value. That is a massive head start for anyone trying to build the next big thing in AI. It's basically a launchpad for your idea.
And that's really the whole point, isn't it? This isn't just some random grab bag of coupons. It's a carefully chosen stack. It's an essential toolkit designed to give you the best-in-class tools for every single part of the journey.
So I'll just leave you with this one question. The cost of getting started, of getting the right tools, has just plummeted. The toolkit is here, the stack is ready to go. The only thing left to ask is, what are you going to build?